Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, this is Healthy and Happy Vibes, and today we're diving into something that's both practical and empowering, growing your own medicinal plants at home. So grab a notebook, grab a cup of tea, and let's get started. Top 7 medicinal plants to grow at home. 1. Aloe Vera. First up, we have Aloe Vera, the superstar of first aid plants. You've probably seen aloe gel in stores, but having a fresh leaf in your home is next-level convenience. What it is and benefits. Aloe vera is a succulent native to the Arabian Peninsula, but it's been cultivated for thousands of years for its healing properties. Topical uses. Aloe gel from the leaf is widely used to soothe minor burns, sunburns, insect bites, and dry skin. It's naturally cooling, anti-inflammatory, and antimicrobial. Instead of buying processed gels, you can cut off a leaf, slice it open, and apply the fresh gel directly to your skin. Internal uses, with caution. Some people juice aloe for digestive support, helping with occasional constipation or as part of a detox regimen. Note: always consult a healthcare professional before ingesting aloe, and be wary of latex, the yellow sap just beneath the green leaf, as that can cause gastrointestinal upset if taken in excess. DIY aloe gel recipes. Simple soothing gel. Add a few drops of lavender essential oil to fresh aloe gel, mix well, and store in a small jar. Great for sunburn or dry skin. Aloe face mask. Combine aloe gel, a teaspoon of honey, and a teaspoon of finely ground oatmeal. Spread on clean skin and leave for 10-15 minutes for a hydrating mask. I keep a small pot of aloe by my kitchen window. If I'm ever dealing with a minor burn, like accidentally touching a hot pan, the fresh gel is ready in seconds. Just remember, fresh is best, and always be gentle when removing so that you don't damage the parent plant. 2. Peppermint, Mentha ex piperita. Next, let's talk about peppermint, the go-to for digestive comfort and a refreshing aroma. You might already have some mint in your garden for cooking, but peppermint specifically, a hybrid of watermint and spearmint, is richer in menthol, making it super versatile. 1. What it is and benefits. Peppermint is a perennial herb that thrives in temperate climates, but is also perfect for containers. Digestive aid. A cup of peppermint tea can calm an upset stomach, relieve bloating, and soothe indigestion. The menthol in peppermint relaxes smooth muscles in the GI tract. Respiratory support. Inhaling peppermint steam, for example by pouring hot water over fresh leaves and breathing in the vapors, can help clear sinuses when you have a cold. Topical uses. Diluted peppermint oil or fresh mint-infused oil can ease tension headaches when applied to temples. Aromatherapy and stress relief. The invigorating scent of peppermint can help improve focus and mental clarity, perfect for a home office or study area. 3. Lavender, Lavandula angustifolia. Lavender is a classic, and for good reason. It's visually gorgeous, aromatically soothing, and therapeutically versatile. If you can, start with a true English lavender, Lavandula angustifolia, as it has the strongest medicinal aroma. What it is and benefits. Lavender is a woody perennial native to the Mediterranean, crowned by fragrant purple flower spikes. Calming and sleep support. Lavender's essential oil is well known for reducing anxiety and promoting restful sleep. Studies have shown that inhaling lavender can lower heart rate and blood pressure, leading to a sense of calm. Watanabe et al. 2015. Topical uses. Lavender oil, diluted in a carrier oil, can help soothe minor burns, insect bites, and dry or itchy skin. Headaches and stress. A drop of lavender oil on your temples or wrists can help alleviate tension headaches and reduce feelings of stress. Antimicrobial properties. Lavender essential oil has natural antimicrobial properties, making it useful in homemade cleaning sprays or wound salves. 4. Chamomile, Matricaria chamomilla or Chamomillum nobile. Chamomile, often called the herbal aspirin of the garden, is famous for its soothing, calming and anti-inflammatory properties. There are two main types: German chamomile, Matricaria chamomilla, an annual, and Roman chamomile, Chamomillum nobile, a perennial. Both are easy to grow and wonderful to have on hand. 1. What it is and benefits. Chamomile flowers are daisy-like, with a yellow center and white petals. They're best known for making a gentle, calming tea. Sleep and anxiety. Chamomile tea is famous for its mild sedative effects, helping with insomnia and anxiety. Compounds like apigenin bind to certain brain receptors that may promote sleepiness. Digestive aid. Chamomile can soothe an upset stomach, reduce gas, and relieve mild gastrointestinal spasms. Anti-inflammatory and skin health. When made into a compress or used, 5 lemon balm, Melissa officinalis. Lemon balm smells like fresh lemon with a hint of mint, so cheerful. It's part of the mint family, Lamiaceae, and is prized for its ability to uplift mood and calm the nervous system. 1. What it is and benefits. Lemon balm is a perennial herb that grows into a bushy plant, reaching about 1 to 2 feet tall. Mood and anxiety. Lemon balm tea or tincture can help reduce stress and anxiety. In fact, some studies show it may improve cognitive function and calmness in people with mild to moderate anxiety. Kennedy et al. 2002. Sleep aid. Often combined with chamomile or valerian root to enhance sleep quality. Digestive support. Like peppermint, lemon balm can soothe indigestion, gas, and bloating. Antiviral properties. There's evidence that topical lemon balm preparations can help with cold sores, herpes simplex, when applied early. Grunwald and Lessel 2000. 6. Rosemary, Salvia rosmarinus. Rosemary isn't just for Christmas or Sunday roast. It's a powerhouse herb with both culinary and medicinal virtues. With its needle-like leaves and distinctive aroma, rosemary is also a beautiful ornamental plant for a windowsill or patio. 1. What it is and benefits. Rosemary is an evergreen perennial native to the Mediterranean, known for its woodsy scent and flavorful leaves. Cognitive support and memory. Rosemary has long been associated with memory enhancement. Some studies suggest that inhaling rosemary essential oil can improve concentration and memory speed. Moss et al. 2012. Antioxidant and anti-inflammatory. Compounds like rosmarinic acid and carnosic acid lend rosemary strong antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, which can support overall health. Hair and scalp. Health. Rosemary oil is used to promote scalp circulation and may help with hair growth when massaged into the scalp. Panahi et al. 2015. Digestive aid. A cup of rosemary tea can help relieve mild digestive discomfort, gas, and cramping. 7. Holy basil, Tulsi, Ocimum tenuiflorum. Tulsi, also known as holy basil, is revered in Ayurvedic medicine as the queen of herbs. It's different from culinary basil. Tulsi has a slightly peppery, clove-like flavor. If you're looking to support resilience to stress, immune function, and overall well-being, Tulsi is a must-have. 1. What it is and benefits. Holy basil is a perennial shrub native to India. It's often grown as a potted plant in Hindu households because of its spiritual significance. Adaptogen and stress relief. Tulsi is classified as an adaptogen, meaning it helps the body adapt to physical and emotional stress. Regular consumption, typically as tea, can help lower cortisol levels and support a balanced stress response. Cohen, 2014. Immune support and antimicrobial. Tulsi has demonstrated antimicrobial and antiviral properties, making it useful during cold and flu season. Respiratory support. Drinking Tulsi tea can help soothe coughs and congestion, and it's often used as part of a steam inhalation blend for respiratory issues. Anti-inflammatory and cardioprotective. Some studies suggest Tulsi may help reduce inflammation and support cardiovascular health by improving lipid profiles. There's something so grounding about Tulsi. The aroma is complex, a bit spicy, with that hint of clove. I keep one pot in my living room, and I often just crush a leaf between my fingers and take a deep breath. If I'm feeling overwhelmed, I brew a quick Tulsi tea, and it always calms me down. Wow, what an incredible lineup, right? But before you rush out to start planting, a few important safety notes. 1. Know your allergies and contraindications. Just because something is natural doesn't mean it's automatically safe for everyone. If you have known plant allergies, for instance ragweed and chamomile share similar proteins, be cautious. Some herbs, like echinacea, may not be appropriate for people with autoimmune conditions. Tulsi, at high doses, may interact with certain medications, blood thinners, for example. Always check reliable sources or consult a healthcare professional if you're on prescription meds or have chronic health conditions. 2. Proper identification. If you're sourcing seeds or plants, buy from reputable suppliers we can trust. Mislabeling happens, especially at discount stores, so double-check the Latin botanical name. If you're foraging for wild plants, I'm focusing on home growing here, but if you ever venture out, be 100% sure of your identification. Many toxic lookalikes can be dangerous. 3. Moderation and dosing. With infusions and teas, start with a small dose, like half a cup, and wait to see how your body responds. For essential oils and tinctures, use recommended dosages. Overuse can cause issues like skin irritation or GI upset. 4. Storage and shelf life. Dried herbs last about 6 to 12 months if stored in airtight jars in a dark, cool place. Beyond that, they lose potency. Infused oils keep for 6 to 12 months. Tinctures can last 2 to 3 years if stored properly. Label everything with the date you made it. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing if you haven't already. There's lots more gardening and wellness content coming your way. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you. Don't forget to hit the notifications bell so you don't miss any new uploads. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy planting and here's to your health.